Hi everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making chicken caprese. Chicken, fresh tomatoes, garlic, basil, topped with mozzarella cheese. Doesn't that sound delicious? And the best thing, it's all in one pan, so stick around. We're going to start off by heating about 1 tablespoon of olive oil over medium-high heat. Now let's add our chicken. Give it a good stir. And let's season moderately with some salt and some pepper. We're going to cook the chicken through until it starts to brown. And then we're going to remove it from the pan. I love cooking meals in one pot. There's such less cleanup and it makes things so easy. Now that our chicken is cooked, I'm going to transfer it to a clean dish, juices and all. Now to our skillet, I'm adding 1/4 cup of balsamic vinegar and garlic. My recipe calls for 2 cloves of garlic crushed. But seriously, I love garlic. And if you do too, add more. This is actually 4 cloves of crushed garlic. And we're gonna cook this for about 1 minute until the garlic becomes fragrant. Now that we have our balsamic vinegar cooking with the garlic, smelling really fragrant, I'm adding grape tomatoes. This is 1 pint, and I've gone ahead and I've cut them in half. And we're gonna mix this all together, get all of the garlic and the balsamic vinegar mixed in with the tomatoes, and we're gonna let this simmer for about 7 minutes. As we're cooking the tomatoes with the balsamic and the garlic, you can see how they're starting to get soft, and this is what we want. All right, so this has really come along quite nicely. And I'm gonna take our chicken and its juices from before, and I'm gonna add that. Now I'm gonna add some fresh basil that I've just roughly chopped. See, it's made a nice little sauce. And we're gonna let this just simmer for a couple minutes so that the chicken can absorb the juices of the garlic and the tomato, basil. Yum. I'm gonna turn the heat off. And I have some sliced mozzarella that I'm just going to place around the pan like this. And I think what I'm going to do is I'm just going to cover it with a lid and let the mozzarella melt. All right, here we go. Look at that. Doesn't that look delicious? And I think I'm going to just take some more fresh basil and just put this around like that. Oh boy, does that look good. Now ultimately, you want to serve this over rice or preferably pasta, but I think I'm just gonna try some right now. Right out of the pan. Tomato, some mozzarella, and chicken. And basil. The balsamic really gives it like a sweetness, and the garlic in there really comes through with a burst of flavor as well. So I think success. Well, thanks for joining me today, everyone, as we made chicken caprese. It really came out delicious, and I hope you give it a try. Let me know if you do. I'll leave a link to the recipe in the description below. And if you like this video and you'd like to see more, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and turn on your notifications so you don't miss out on any videos, and I'll see you next time. Have a great day.